Environmental chemistry. As we know that environment means everything which exists around us, the aggregation of social, biological, physical and chemical factors existing around us is called an environment. Environmental chemistry means scientific study of chemical and biochemical processes occurring in environment. Thus, the study of the sources, reactions, transport, effects and fates of chemical species in the air and effect and fates of this type of chemical species in the soil and water environment, and the effect of human activity on these is called environmental chemistry. Environmental chemistry is an interdisciplinary science that includes disciplines like atmospheric, aquatic, soil, analytical chemistry. Analytical chemistry includes the study of different methods and techniques used for analysis of chemical compounds. The incidents and changes occurring in environment creates a number of questions like why do our eyes suffer irritation when we pass through specific area, or we can say why our nose irritate when we pass through a certain area, why the temperature of earth increasing day by day, what is the reason for erosion of historical buildings, why does the soil become dry, what type of water is safe for drinking, why does a person working in factory become deaf earlier than normal one. To answer these questions, we have to take help of environmental chemistry. We have to understand environment. It gives importance to the study of air, water, soil and noise pollution. In this unit, we will discuss mainly the cause and the effects of air, water and soil pollution, so the remedies for its removal and how to control it that we can discuss. Environmental pollution. The pollution of environment is called environmental pollution. Environmental pollution is the effect of undesirable changes in our surroundings that have harmful effects on plants, animals and human beings. Certain activities are normal, for example, generation of carbon dioxide. But when it is more than the certain limit, it is considered as undesirable changes in our surroundings and that have harmful effects on plants, animals and human beings. The substances which produce or spread the pollution are known as pollutants. The substances which either produce pollution or spread the pollution are known as pollutants. Pollutants can be solid, liquid or gaseous substances present in greater concentration than in natural abundance and are produced due to human activity or due to some natural happenings. Different time durations are required for natural degradation of pollutants. For example, pollutants which degrade rapidly are known as rapidly degradable pollutants. For example, discarded vegetables, fruits which rapidly break down by natural process within 7 to 10 days in the earth. Pollutants which degrade slowly are known as slowly degradable pollutants. For example, agricultural waste require about 3 to 5 months for their natural degradations, and that is why farmer removes dung heap maximum twice in a year. Some pollutants remain for decades and in their original form without any kind of degradations. They are known as non-degradable pollutants. For example, DDT dichloro, diphenyl, trichloroethane, which is an insecticides, plastic materials, heavy metals, radioactive waste. These are non-degradable materials. These compounds are not degraded naturally, so it is difficult to remove them from the environment. And these pollutants are proved to be more harmful to living beings. In the process of environmental pollution, pollutants originate from sources and get transported by air or water or are dumped into the soil by human beings. As we know that our environment consists of three main parts, that is lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. So, study of environmental pollution require to know the pollution that occur in these three spheres. And therefore here we will talk about the pollution of lithosphere, that is called atmospheric pollution, pollution of hydrosphere, that is called water pollution, and pollution of soil, that is I can say known as we can say lithosphere pollution. So by this way we can study in this chapter three different type of the pollutions, that is pollution of soil, pollution of water and pollution of air. So we will study them sequentially in this unit. So in our next video we will discuss these three main part of the environmental pollution, that is air pollution, which is a pollution of atmosphere, water pollution, that is I can say pollution of hydrosphere, and third is a soil pollution, that is pollution of the land or lithosphere. Second important thing in this case, in addition to this, we have to also discuss one topic which is known as an green chemistry, how we can reduce air pollution or land pollution or soil pollution with the help of certain advancement, or I can say ecological aspect of the chemistry, which is known as an green chemistry in this topic. So in our next video we will discuss about the air pollution or atmospheric pollution.